everyone, this is Sanjana. I am pursuing intermediate first year in Ignatius College. I opted HEC. Today I am going to say about the various schedule of the Indian Constitution. What is schedule? A schedule is a part of an act which contains extra information that has not been written in the body of the document. Originally, there are 8 schedules in our Indian Constitution. 4 more were added. Presently, there are 12 schedules in our Indian Constitution. Originally, there are 8. Later, they added 4 more. Presently, there are 12 schedules in our Indian Constitution. Schedule 1. It contains the name of the states and union territories. Schedule 2. The provinces in related to allowances, privileges, emoluments of President of India, Governor of Indian State, Chairman and Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha, Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, Comptroller and Auditor General, High Court Judge, Supreme Court Judges. Schedule 3. It contains the form of oath and affirmation for Union Ministers of India, Parliamentary election candidates, Comptroller and Auditor General, State Minister, State Legislative Members. Schedule 4. It contains the provinces in related to the allocation of seats, states and union territories in Rajya Sabha. Schedule 5. It contains provisions in related to the administration and controller of scheduled areas and scheduled tribes. Schedule 6. It contains provisions in related to the administration of scheduled tribes in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram. Schedule 7. This schedule deals with the 3 legislative list federalism, union, state, concurrent. Schedule 8 it deals with the 22 official languages. They are Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmir, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Konkani, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjab, Sanskrit, Hindi, and so on. Schedule 9, it deals with the states, acts and regulations with dealing with the land reformers and abolishment of zamindari system. It also deals with the parliament which dealing with the other matters. This schedule was added by the First Amendment Act 1951. Schedule 10, it contains the provisions in related to the disqualification of the members of state legislature on the grounds of defamation. This schedule was added by the 52nd Amendment Act 1985. This is also known as Anti-Defamation Law. 12 schedule, it deals with the provinces that specify powers, authorities, responsibilities of the municipalities. It has 19 matter. This schedule was added by the 24th Amendment Act 1992. Thank you.